Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I've got the fan the wrong way around. But it's your favourite skinny legend, Sam. I'm here, I'm back after my hiatus. It's been a minute, I haven't made a video for like over a year. So thanks for coming back, thanks for tuning in. I know it's been a while, it's been long awaited. Not really, no one really gives a fuck, but you know. Today I'm doing like a little New Year's resolution chit chat. Get ready with me. It's not even New Year's, hasn't even passed Christmas, but I feel like people should start planning their looks. So here's mine. I'm going to be rocking this on New Year's hopefully, if all goes to plan. But yeah, it's a super bronzy, like very glowy makeup. I want to be beaming into that new year, bitch. I want to be like, they don't even know what's coming for them, you know what I mean? Like, I want to be like the glow goddess, the vibes, you know what I mean? I fucking hope I die. Anyway, we're going to start off with the no makeup. I'm going to show you start to finish how to get the look, and also we're going to chit chat about where I've been, what I've been doing, what the vibe is for the year, where I've been at, what's up with my life, all of that kind of shit. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hopefully you enjoy it. It's a bit of a shit show, but you know, everything good in life comes with a bit of a shit show, so enjoy. Mwah. Okay, so we've been on a bit of a journey with this video already. So I just spent about 20 minutes talking about like my journey, where I've been, what I've been doing, blah blah blah, for it to not be recording the sound. So I hope to God the camera picked it up and you see me, but all I've done so far is I primed, I did my eyebrows, and I've used ginger throughout my crease from the Jackie palette, and also edges on the outer V. Now that everything's sorted out though, let's talk. So where have I been? That's I guess what I want to talk about for the start. I've been around. I've been here. I've been doing makeup on Instagram. I just haven't been on YouTube, and I just haven't done YouTube in a while. Why? I guess it comes down to laziness, time constraint, laziness, and more laziness. Partially. I've also done a lot throughout this year. Like I've had a pretty big year. I would say that not big enough to suffice not, you know, doing content on here and things of that nature, but I definitely think I've had quite the year in regards to like career and progression as a person and things of that nature. I was in a job and I didn't really like this job, but I'm out of it now, which is amazing. And I mean literally like my dream job at the moment, which is so good. I literally love my current job. I get to do exactly what I love, and I get to do it with people who are just absolutely amazing. Seriously, like some of the best team I've ever worked with ever. But yeah, I definitely am grateful and so happy to say that I'm working with an amazing team of people now who I get along with, who I don't have to worry about things with. Seriously, like so grateful for the opportunity, for the people that I work with. I'm just so happy in my life right now. Hence why I'm coming back here and like doing like YouTube again. This is something I'm super passionate about, and I really shouldn't have slipped off in the first place, but life gets in the way, and that's okay. It's not like I was like making YouTube videos for like millions of subscribers and all of my fans. Oh my god, where did I go? Like, oh my god. It was more of a, oh, you dipped kind of moment, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm back though. I'm back. I'm making this video. Let's see how long this goes. If you can hear my fan, by the way, I'm really sorry. It like ticks. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's ticking, but it keeps me cool because it's hot in here. But yeah, I don't know, I just feel like I kind of dipped and just did Instagram content for ages just because I felt like I was growing on Instagram, and I'm like, I feel like I'm actually like doing well on there. Haven't posted in a week, but you know, in 2 weeks actually. But you know, we get there. Oh, good morning. Maybe I'll take it all over, shall we? Maybe we will. I'm gonna take it on my finger, actually. This works better. Yeah, I think it's cute enough. Probably doesn't look good on camera, but that's alright. That's okay. Kind of looks cute IRL, so... Anyway, yeah, so I'm just super happy at the moment with the job that I'm doing, how I ended up here in like such a good place, I don't know, but I'm here, living, and yeah, I'm just super happy with how things have turned out so far. I guess that's the best way to put it. This is giving me very Pat McGrath vibes. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's talk my New Year's resolutions, I guess. We can jump into that conversation. So next year, I really don't actually do like New Year's resolutions. I'm not a New Year's resolution person. I feel like I don't stick to them. But this year, I don't know, I kind of feel like I want to make some. I feel like I need to make some. Because while I am very happy, and that's the most important thing out of today, like to mention in this video, is that I'm super happy right now. While I am very happy, I am also not perfect. Nobody is. And there are also a lot of things that I want to change in my life. I'm pretty happy in like regards to career. I'm happy in regards to makeup at the moment, at least. I feel like there's literally always room for improvement. I want to. Oh my god! I kind of want to bring Louis in so you can meet him. He's literally so cute. Louis, look up there. Look at there. So this is Louis. Oh god, he's literally so naughty. He's already grown so much. He doesn't like being held very much though. Oh my god, oh my god. He's never seen my makeup room from this high. But that's Louis. He's so cute. He literally like gives me all the life I need. He's too much energy though. Like I'm puffed out from holding him and trying to grab him just then. Like I would so... Oh my god. Stop! Dog. He literally plays with anything. You might be able to hear him. He's actually playing with a bottle. An empty bottle, like a plastic bottle right now. And he just throws it around. And that's it. That is literally it. Ow! Yes, I'm wearing a Little Mermaid top. No, I don't want to talk about it. You know the vine of the girl in the back of the car and she's like... That's what I look like. Can we talk about Harry Styles for a second? I know you saw the fucking photo shoot. I know you saw it. The photo shoot of him naked, and against that yellow wall. Oh, baby, I was feeling feelings I've never felt before. Oh, that's disgusting. I'm so sorry. Like, I literally, like... Harry Styles gives me, like, things that I never knew I had. He gives me energy that has never entered this household. Like, I'm kind of smudging it up into, like, the outer corner. Just to, like, get the vibe, you know what I mean? Like, just... You can call me by my middle name. My middle name's Vanessa. I'm literally, like... By the way, I'm obsessed with Vine. TikTok. I'm obsessed with TikTok. It's literally like taken over. It's so good. One sec, gotta wet my beauty blue blur. Okay, so for the skin, I'm going glowy as fuck. Just fair warning, glowy as fuck. I use Banana Bright Primer, there's no going back. Also, I'm gonna be using the Lele Pons X Tarte lashes today as well. They are so cute, you can't see them at all. They're very like... Floop, floop, fluffy. Fluff, little fluff moment. I'm going to use the NARS All Day, what is it? Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. That's a bloody mouthful. Seriously. NARS with your extra. Yup. Me and my friends at work have a joke, and I'm not going to share it with you because it's very personal. Where the bloody hell are my drops? My drippies. My drip drops. My come through drip and drip drips. Where are my drops? Where are my drops? Oh, there they are. Going in on my beauty blender. Do I look pale? Oh, the lighting looks very off. Should I refocus? Can I be bothered to refocus? Clapping to get back in time with my audio. So, yeah, I finished my foundation. Now I'm moving on to my concealer. Tarte Shape Tape. Anyway, back to Harry Styles. I think that Harry Styles is like just doing things. The photo shoot, all of the moments. He's had too many moments. He's had too many moments. Like, it should not be legal. He should actually be incarcerated because of how fucked up it is that he gets to look that good in anything. 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 I'm looking for my Huda Beauty Tan Tour, but I also don't know if I want to use it. I'm going to use a little bit of Fenty, a little bit of Butter Moment. I'm going to just powder my under eyes, really. That's it. I'm not going to bake. I can't bake. So I'm really trying to, like, not... I'm trying to keep my foundation luminous, but it's just not happening. I'm feeling very matte. What can a girl do when she's a matte girl? She's a matte girl, that's it. I really am just talking shit at this point, aren't I? I really am. Like, I really should just stop, I think. There's an eyelash stuck on the mirror in there. There's an eyelash in there. Gonna leave it there. Adds character. Oh, that looks like a lot. Like, I just looked in my viewfinder and I just don't know if I'm okay with how that looks. That is a lot of bronzer. Okay. I have to, like, match that up. Suddenly I'm going for bronze and dewy. Oh, fuck. No. What is going on? What is going on? Okay, everybody calm down. There's a lot happening at once, like, right now. That's a lot. That's a lot. That's a lot happening on my nose. But I also feel like it, like, looks okay. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like I look alright. Okay, we brought it back. Oh, Jesus. There goes the mic. There goes the mic. Like, I haven't had enough trouble with this already. This was supposed to be a video about New Year's resolutions, but I haven't talked about it. Well, I have, but, like, I haven't talked about it in length. And I'm sorry about that, but I also, like, I feel like I've had a lot going on in this video. Just saying. I feel like I'm having, like, a very Kim K moment. Am I shooting? Am I reaching? I feel like I'm reaching. I don't know, I'm just giving myself very Kim K 2018 Met Gala. With this smokiness I'm getting there. What's been going on with you? Let's talk about you for a second. I feel like I've talked a lot about me. How are the kids? How's mum? How's dad? Oh, sorry for that. You know. Wow, I look fucking disgusting. Ooh. Yuck. What's going on with your teeth? Yeah, I'm still listening. Keep talking. Anyway, moving on. I am literally over myself. I'm so over it, like, talking shit now. Bit of diamond wet on the inner corner. Who doesn't love a bit of diamond wet? Ooh, yes, it took it to that next level. That's what I'm talking about here, people. Bring it to the runway. So glad I could edit all of the, like, weird parts of this out. Second half of this video has been a joke. A bloody joke. We started off so professional, so, like, meh, and, like, talking, you know, just talking about feelings, you know what I mean? Like, I feel like we've been, like, about the feelings today. It's just, I'm not there anymore. I've left. Using diamond wet as my highlighter, by the way. Oh, that's too much. No, that's not. It's not. Yes! Yes! Oh, jeez. Okay. Okay. Alright, so I've just added my lashes and mascara and set my face with a bit of morphing setting spray, and this should be the final look, guys. This is so... I'm literally obsessed with how bronzy and, like, oh, just, like, everything. I live for this. So warm. I'm getting, like, very Kim K vibes. and live for it. It looks stunning. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy it, give it a like. I appreciate you coming back to watch this video. It's been a while. But yeah, if you do enjoy me and you want to see more, please subscribe, and also let me know what you want to see in the comments below. I'm thinking of doing like a skincare routine or something like that. That would be really fun, something, you know, not makeup focused. But yeah, let me know. I'll leave all of the things that I used in the description, and also a link to all my socials and whatever else needs to go down there. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.